So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our odd USD. So first, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. You can also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, let's start with our trend on odd USD. This is an uptrend move. So guys, we are currently offering the mentorship program, which is on the Patreon channel, right? We are offering it on the Patreon channel. So if you would want to be part of this mentorship program ongoing and you would not want to miss out on it, all you just need to do is subscribe. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So once you subscribe, right, you will get, get every benefit that we are going to be offering on it. You get every benefit. So all you just need to do is go to the section, click on the link to the Patreon channel and subscribe. Once you subscribe, you'll be able to trade with us and learn with us. Now take a look at this movement on odd USD. You can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. Market is clearly trending to the upside. This is an uptrend move. Market is trending to the upside. Now take a look at this movement right here. This is the impulsive move, which is an high. Then here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low. So our next movement on odd USD will be a bullish move that should eventually form a new higher high. So guys, in a long run, especially if you're a swing trader, right? If you would want to do your position for the next 1 to 2 weeks, go in for the buy because currently market is still dropping, right? Once this drop plays out finish, once this drop plays out finish, markets will most likely push up again to form a new high. So above all, a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, subscribe, like, and share.